Hello everyone, welcome back to Whispers of Literature. Have you ever cried while watching a movie or felt relieved after watching a sad ending? The answer lies in one powerful literary concept, catharsis. In this video, I'll explain catharsis in the simplest way possible. Imagine watching a very emotional movie. You cry, you feel sad, but strangely, when the movie ends, you actually feel lighter. Why? That's exactly what catharsis means. The word catharsis comes from the Greek language. It means cleansing or purification. But in literature, it refers to the cleansing of our emotions. After watching a tragic movie or play, the emotions you experienced are released and you feel a sense of relief or comfort. This emotional release is called catharsis. The idea of catharsis was introduced by the Greek philosopher Aristotle in his book Poetics. According to him, the purpose of tragedy is not simply to make us sad. Instead, tragedy helps us experience emotions like pity and fear and then release them. Now, how does it work? Here's how it works. You watch a tragedy, then you start to feel sorry for the hero. You worry about what will happen next. When the story ends, those emotions are released. That emotional release is called catharsis. Let's look at two examples. Imagine watching Macbeth. At first, Macbeth is a brave soldier, but his ambition leads him to make terrible decisions. As the play continues, we feel fear because we see how ambition can destroy a person. We also feel pity because Macbeth loses everything. When the play ends, we experience catharsis. We have gone through those emotions safely through the story. Now let us take an everyday example. Think of your emotions like a steam inside a pressure cooker. If the steam never escapes, the pressure keeps building. Catharsis is like releasing that steam. And it is because of this catharsis the tragic stories remain popular. They don't just entertain us, they help us reflect, empathize, and understand ourselves better. Before we finish, let's quickly revise what we have learned. First, the word catharsis comes from the Greek language. It was introduced by the Greek philosopher Aristotle in his famous work Poetics. Catharsis simply means emotional cleansing or emotional purification. In other words, it is the feeling of relief we experience after expressing or releasing deep emotions. We usually experience catharsis while reading or watching a tragedy. According to Aristotle, a good tragedy awakens two important emotions in the audience: fear and pity. As the story comes to an end, these emotions are released, leaving us with a sense of emotional relief. That emotional relief is what we call catharsis. Now let's have a quick quiz. Which philosopher introduced the idea of catharsis? Comment your answer below. If this video helped you understand catharsis, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep reading, keep learning, and let literature inspire you. See you in the next video. Bye.